he's throwing it at the Hard Rock, and I'm kind of like, oh, he's really. I was like, they throw a lot of good fights out there, but they had guys like Joe Schilling, which Joe got knocked out.
Eddie Showtime Walker, unknown, 8-1 out of Atlanta, came in there round 3 and threw the opening right. Put him to sleep.
He was beating, Joe was beating up Eddie Walker, and then he stepped back, and then he just caught one right on the jaw. Like, Joe is a good dude, but he talks a lot of shit, and he's got a glass jaw. Like, I don't care.
I interviewed both those guys the day of the fight, okay? And one thing Showtime, said was, he goes, I know how he is. He's going to try to beat on me, but sooner or later he's going to drop that left, and I'm going to make him pay for it. Sure enough, dude, he was split open twice going into round 3. Both boys stepped back like he dropped that left. Boom! Good night. It was all over.
He did. He did, for real. Dude, I did. I went crazy, too. Like, Joe is a straight offense guy. It's kind of like, I don't care what you're watching, baseball, football, whatever it is. The old adage goes, offense wins games, defense wins championships. Joe is not a defensive guy. You start taking a guy's offense away from him, he's going to start getting insecure. But that was the deal. Like, Joe was just hammering on him. He was throwing the kitchen sink at him. And Eddie was just staying patient, stepped back. Boom, it was all over.
Dude, it was beautiful. Yeah.
And,
I tell you what, I'm a huge fan of, what Lion Fights does. I mean, I'm a huge fan of, you'll catch us at 3 o'clock every Saturday morning watching Thai TV7 for the live Thai fights. We're huge into it. But I tell you what, that was one of the craziest upsets I have seen in the last 5 years in Thai fighting.
Yeah.